we have the Bissell PowerEdge Hardwood Floor Vacuum. If you are looking for an incredible vacuum for laminate floor, this Bissell PowerEdge is just simply perfect. This item will help you clean your house quickly and easily due to its dynamic features. The V-shaped foot is pretty helpful in cleaning your room from every angle. With this function, the dirt or the garbage will never be able to hide from the vacuum since the foot is highly flexible with any situation. However, this one comes with a creative design that always brings you ease whenever you want to use it. The vacuum supports many types of floors. It even works well in sucking pets' hairs. The 7.5 pounds weight is light enough for you to carry this unit and clean the house with convenience. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bissell Featherweight Light Vacuum. This wonderful Bissell Featherweight will never disappoint their customers. Coming from the Bissell company, this item is surely a great product full of benefits. This vacuum is different from the previous one by its adjustable features. To be clear, the machine can be used in several ways such as stick, stair, and stand vacuum. As a result, in any time or any place, this one can become extremely handy. Moreover, this product is quite powerful and pretty easy to use so that no dirt will be left on your floor. It consists of the strong suction for the user to rapidly pick up dirts and hairs and clean the house efficiently. At number 3, we have the Bissell CleanViews Bagless Vacuum. Another model from the Bissell company is the Bissell CleanViews, which is also a fantastic vacuum for laminate floors. This product is equipped with the one-pass technology plus a great suction that will offer you so much ease. More importantly, this item also includes the multi-cyclonic suction system, which is absolutely beneficial because it allows all the dirt to stay in one place and makes it convenient to take the dirt out. On the other hand, it is lightweight so that you can bring up and down the floor and stairs better without using a lot of energy. Besides that, no floor is beyond the power of this vacuum since it works perfectly fine with any type of surface such as bare floor, carpet, or even sealed hard floor. At number 2, we have the Hoover Lynx Bagless Vacuum. Hoover Lynx Bagless is one of the most top-rated vacuums that you should have in your house. This object has a stunning design that people will be easily in love with. Regarding the functions of the machine, you don't really have anything to complain about. The cyclonic technology in this item will collect all the dust and keep it together with no loss of suction. Furthermore, in case you need to reach some difficult areas, the extreme recline handle is able to get there and you don't even have to move your body. This one is built to fit in any position of the house, for instance the edge, and it is actually compatible with most types of the floors as well. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shark Ultra Light Vacuum. Shark is nothing but an inventive vacuum for laminate floors. By just taking a quick look at the whole product, you will fancy this one for several reasons. In fact, this one is really beneficial because of the adjustable functions. It can be converted to a hand vacuum for you to easily clean on a sofa or TV, which is quite creative. Particularly, with the LED light, you will see the hidden debris and get rid of them perfectly. Without losing suction, it is strong enough to vacuum anything on your carpet or floor in just a second. Besides that, this one will never bother you when you want to take it to other places since it is lightweight and comes with a 30 feet cord length as well.